guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I style my short hair. For those that are new to my channel, I have done so many crazy things to my hair, from different hairstyles to different lengths to different hair colors, but I will leave my hair transformation video down in the description box. Definitely check that out. You can see when I buzzed my head, when I had cheetah print, like just all my different hairstyles, so I would definitely leave that link down below. But I feel like when you have shorter hair or shoulder length hair, kind of like myself, I've been rocking shoulder length hair now for a while. My mom's my hairdresser. She cuts my hair all the time for me. I've been wearing it shoulder length for a while now. I'm debating if I should grow it out or keep it shoulder length, but I'm going to be sharing how I style my hair because I feel like there's a misconception of when you have shorter hair, you can't wear it up, you can't really style it, you can't curl it. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing that you can do that, and I'll show you guys my favorite hairstyles that I rock with the length of my hair. So the things that you're going to need, I do use hot tools. I try my hardest not to because I know it's damaging, but I have a crimper right here. This is what my crimper looks like. I'm really not sure of the brand because I've had it for so long. I got this from Sally's. It's literally so old. I mean, there's a bunch of dust on it, but it's just a hot tool. I'm trying to figure out what the brand is, but it's just worn off, but it's just a regular crimper. I think it's like the bigger one because I like to have bigger waves. And then I got this straightener, Andis, Andis. I'm not sure. My Aunt Mary got this for me years and years ago. You guys can see that I really need a new one, but it works. It gets the job done. It does what I need to do, and it makes your girl look like, her hair is popping, okay? Also, I like to use these little mini rubber bands. I have them in this olive oil leave-in conditioner container. When you have containers like this, wash them out and use them for like hair ties. These little rubber bands, I like to use them when I braid my hair, which you guys will, am I in focus? You guys will be seeing a braided hair look within this video, so I like to keep those on hand. But yeah, let's get into this video. I do like to use those elastics even when I'm not, doing a braid, just because I do have shorter hair, so it kind of holds my hair better because they're so much smaller, so I can get them tighter. But the first hairstyle I'm going to show you is just super basic. It's just going to be a really straight hair look. When my hair is feeling a little heavy, I like to use a dry shampoo. Now, I got this dry shampoo at the dollar store because, the dollar store got some good stuff. Don't let it fool you just because it's $1. But this is the Salon Graphics Play It Big Volumizing Dry Shampoo in the color brown, so it really matches my roots. So I just like to, come in, even when my hair is like relatively clean, I just find that it gives my hair a little bit more body, especially when I am doing a straight look. I like to just blend that in a little bit. And let's start to get to straightening. Now, I don't have a lot of hair. Unfortunately, my hair used to be so thick, but, it's just thinning out, I guess. I don't even like part my hair because my hair is shorter. I feel like I can just get in there a little easier than having to part it. Sometimes I part it, sometimes I don't. But I just pick up my brush and straighten my hair. It's really that simple. I do like to take the bottom of my straightener and kind of curl it in just a little bit. I feel like it frames my face a little bit better and gives me just a little bit more hairstyle than just it being bone straight. On the inner pieces, you definitely have to go in there and straighten them. Don't slack on those. You don't want to have really straight hair and then around your ears, it's, wavy and curly. So I'm just going in and straightening it. Now you guys can see just in that 1 second how straight my hair has gotten. Because it's shorter, you can do a lot of hairstyles a lot quicker than when you have longer hair. But I don't know what I should do. Leave it in the comments below if you think I should grow my hair out or if I should leave it this length for a while. All right, let's do the other side, brush it out. If you hear Maximus barking, you guys know if you have been subscribed to my channel for a while. Maximus likes to bark when I'm filming my videos. He's in the TV room, so he must see his like reflection on the slider door. And he barks. You guys don't have to go out and buy the most expensive hair straightener or the most expensive crimper or curler. I find that even when you have one that's cheaper, it still gets the job done and, you know, does my hair the way I want it to. So I'm just gonna come in. Okay. So I'm a person that I like my hair to be bone straight. My mom, on the other hand, likes it when my hair has a little bit more body. So if you don't want your hair to be bone straight, come in, especially because you applied the dry shampoo. Just come in, brush it out, brush your hair back. I find that that helps to add a little bit more body. But yeah, this is one of my hairstyles that I wear a lot just because it's easy, it's fun, it's cute, and I just like it. You guys could also pull your hair to the side and have a little side part that also gives a little bit more body to your hair, adds a little bit more style to straight hair, but I like it more parted down the middle. For my next hairstyle, for hairstyle number 2, I'm going to come like right where the arch of my brows are and bring my fingers up so you guys can see, just like that. Brush it out. Now I feel like this is like a really popular hairstyle. Before I go into the hairstyle that I'm going to, you guys could also wear it just in a half up, half down. I do that a lot as well, but I'm going to do the bun on top of my head because I really love that look. Taking my little rubber band and tying it up. Can you guys see? Okay. I absolutely love this hairstyle, and I am so shocked right now that this bun looks so perfect to me because I always have a hard time getting it to look full and voluminous like this. I think it's just because I straightened it right before doing it. Sometimes I'll put it up in the bun and then straighten my hair, so now I know. You guys have that little tip too. Straighten your hair first and then put it in the bun. But I really love the way this looks. I like the little pieces hanging out on the bottom. Gives it more of like a effortless, messy bun. But I definitely love the straight hair. You guys could put your hair behind your ears, wear some big hoop earrings. Just another look that I really love to do. The next hairstyle is going to be braids. Now I absolutely love braids and I always thought I needed longer hair to do this. What I like to do is I'm going to part my hair down the middle. I can never get my part perfect like ever, so do not mind that. If you hear my son in the background, he is out in the kitchen with my mom and grandmother. So this is how easy it is. I don't even tie one side. I'm going to do like a Dutch braid. I will speed this part up, but all you do is do a braid and add in hair, kind of like a French braid, but I do it outer, so I think it's called a Dutch braid. And all I'm doing is braiding my hair back, and then we're gonna put them in 2 little buns. Let me speed this part up. Alright, so this is a hairstyle that I wear a lot. Sometimes I'll come in and I will put 2 hair elastics. Because having shorter hair, sometimes it doesn't always stay in the elastic, but that's totally fine. Just wrap it back up, put another elastic if need be. Sometimes I like them a little more messy, so I'll like pull them apart, you know, mess with it a little bit. Sometimes I like to have a little hair hanging out. Sometimes I'll push it back. However I'm feeling for that day, this is one of my go-to hairstyles. It is so easy. It's really cute. It's like gets the hair off your face, especially because it's summertime. I do like to have my hair up. I love to wear my hair down, but more in the cooler weather because I hate when the back of your neck sweats and it gets in your hair, and your girl just, you know, she don't want to be dealing with that. So I like to keep my hair up, but I really like it to look cute. So this is something that is super cute. And when I had longer hair, I love to do the 2 buns on top. I could still do that if I leave some of my hair down or use a bunch of pins in the back, like bobby pins. But this gives me like that same look that I used to do when I used to wear the 2 buns on the top of my head. But now it has a little braid. It's super cute, and I really love this hair look. So now I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna show you guys how I crimp my hair, and also like a hairstyle where I have curls in my head, because I feel like when you have shorter hair, some people don't think that you can curl your hair, but you can, and I'm gonna show you how. So let me take these out and we'll get into the next hairstyle. Let's just take the braids out. So crimping my hair is so easy. Like I said with my straightening, I don't section my hair. And when I have sectioned my hair, unfortunately, my hair doesn't hold a curl for a long time. My hair doesn't really hold a crimp for a long time. I'm not sure if it's just my hair, if it's because I process it so much. Even though my hair has grown back and it's healthy, it just doesn't hold a curl, like it never really has. So me having to separate it, it just adds more work for something that is only gonna last like an hour. When my crimps run out, it just looks like really nice wavy hair. So literally all I do is I just grab like chunks and hold the crimper on there 10 to 15 seconds. And then I move it down. All I have to do is like 2 crimps to my hair because it is shorter. When I would wear my hair extensions, it'd take a little longer, but not that bad. This is so easy. And it's so hot in here, you guys. If you're gonna be, you know, using hot tools on your hair, you know, have like your AC on or have the door open, because it gets hot. All right, so I do that super quickly. I still have some straight hair, but I like to take my brush and tease up a little bit because, like I said, my hair doesn't hold anything and it really has no volume. So I gotta like give my hair some volume. So I tease it up and then I will come back in super quickly and crimp over it. I believe this crimper, it was so many years ago, but I think it was like 20 or 30 bucks from Sally's. So affordable, and like it just really makes your hair look super nice. It gives your hair like a really like nice wave. Like I went through like a crimping phase, and look how much volume this side has, especially from the crimping, but also taking the hairbrush, like just so much more volume. It's more like beachy waves, and then this side is just bone flat. So I do like a little bit more volume when I have shorter hair. And then the next hairstyle will be curls. So this kind of helps with the curls, because when I have just straight hair in the curls, it doesn't really work that well, but that's for my hair. I'm just gonna come in super quick. I feel like this side of my head doesn't have that much hair because it's so much easier just to like crimp through it than the other side. Does anyone ever feel that way? All right, so let's come in with our brush. And I'm just back combing up. Just like that. And this is the way that I found to be most effective for myself. You guys might have different hair. It might be the same length, but you might have to separate your hair. This just works for me. I'm just showing you guys how I style my short hair. Now, if I was leaving it like this, I'd spray some hairspray in my hair. This is the hairspray that I really like to use. My grandmother uses this. She like lives by it. It's the Goldwell in Big Finish 4. Really holds really, really good. It's a really great hairspray. So if I was going out and I wasn't doing another hairstyle for you guys, I would definitely spray my hair because it would leave my hair a little bit more voluminous, so it doesn't fall flat so quick, because trust me, I deal with that too much. So awesome thing is, now that my hair is crimped like this, you could come back up, could do a half up, half down, adds a little bit more volume. You could do the big bun on top of your head. Again, I feel like this looks so cute with crimped hair because it makes you look like you have more hair, you know what I mean? So that's super cute. And then for my curls, all I do is I take my straightener. You can curl your hair with a straightener. Let me show you guys how I do this, and then I'm gonna speed through it. I'm gonna take my straightener, crimp my hair, and then twist it back. And then you pull down. And then you guys can see right here, can you guys see it? That I have a curl. The reason why I love to do the crimping first is because it gives me that wavy effect, so I don't have to put that many curls, especially because they don't hold that well, unfortunately, on my head. If you have any tips for me with that, why my hair doesn't hold that well, please let me know, because I see people on YouTube that can, you know, curl their hair and it will last them almost a whole week. For me, it will last me probably like an hour. So I added just a little bit of curl. This is how I curl my hair. You guys can also wear your hair over to the side. This kind of gives more of like that sexy Victoria's Secret, like bombshell look. I also would wear my hair like this, like I said, cute bombshell, or pull it over a little more. However, like I said, my hair, you guys can see like it's already pretty much straight again. It just stinks. Also, one of my favorite hairstyles that I like to wear, it reminds me of like a Kim Kardashian, is I will brush my hair out, I'll put it behind my ears, try to get it as flat as you can. Take your little rubber band, and then I will wear it slicked back with some really pretty statement earrings. It looks super pretty and super sleek. I said that you guys could do this earlier. Do a half up, half down. That I have the little ponytail right here. Super cute. Love it. Also, this is another hairstyle. I like to pull almost all my hair over, kind of like puff it up so it's like really voluminized. Has a lot of body. Pull my hair on the side behind my ear. And like, I mean, just look at it. It just looks like high-end fashion to me. It's so simple too, like, fold it over, you're good to go. All right, you guys, so you guys can see that my hair is pretty much straight again. Like I said, my hair doesn't hold. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it gave you some ideas. If you are looking to cut your hair shorter, already have shorter hair, I hope that I helped you out. These are some of my favorite hairstyles that I like to do with my short hair. I also like to wear my extensions, but because I haven't dyed my hair in so long, this is like my natural color, and my hair extensions are a dark brown and this is a lighter brown. Might not look like it in camera, but it is. So I have been wearing my natural hair, wearing all these different hairstyles. So I hope that this video helped you out. Let me know what hairstyle was your favorite. Also, if you try to recreate any of these hairstyles, tag me on Instagram, ItalianDiva13. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be having a giveaway. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.